I'm Rakesh Joshi. I'm a data scientist at Skinopathy. I'm a member of the MMAI program at Schulich. I graduate 2020. I did a PhD in the life sciences. Then I moved up to Canada and I was a postdoctoral scientist working in the field of cancer. And I would do a lot of something called bioinformatics. These days it's called clinical data science. And then I realized that there were some gaps in my skill sets. And of course, I also wanted to move out of academia into industry. Some of the specific skill sets that I lacked was, well, first of all, was programming. We would use a lot of softwares, but these were off-the-shelf softwares. I wouldn't program or build a product by myself. With the skill set that I got from MMAI, currently I am building a product, like line-by-line coding. What makes MMAI unique is that, yes, you get that core technical skills as well as that core math skills, but you also get the business side. And something most people don't realize is AI, artificial intelligence, is basically just machine learning. And machine learning is just math. The fact that we have nearly 50% of our courseworks which are math heavy, it actually lets you understand more than what the front-end user sees. You actually know what's going on within the algorithms that you're creating and building and using. I don't see a single business that doesn't have to make decision every single hour of when they're in operation. As a research scientist, I was very focused on solving one or two problems. Right? We kind of developed this tunnel vision just to make sure if you want to go into deep enough to solve that problem. When you come to a business school from that environment as a scientist, you understand the amount of use cases, whatever problem it is you're trying to solve, that can have more use cases than what your initial intent was. So I think coming to a business school and going through the MMAI program, I think that really broadened that horizon of how I should think of solutions as a whole. The AI CPs, the consulting projects that we have, it runs for about 8 months. For me personally, being able to do an AI CP project where I use these newfound skills in machine learning but apply it to my old stomping grounds, life sciences, that really, was the cherry on the cake for me. And of course, some of my classmates, they got hired by the companies that they worked for, right? So the end goal was met for most of them. Even for myself, it's great. Roche is actually they're willing to back our project and make it into a startup. So, that worked out fine too.